Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can use the triggers in your WhatsApp chatbot. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account, and once you are logged in, select the WhatsApp bot in which you want to do that configuration. Once you click on that bot, you will go to the WhatsApp bot settings, and the second option that you will get of trigger, click on it and you get four options: bot trigger, chat flow trigger, chatbot icebreaker, chatbot commands. So let's get into each of the option that we get. So first is the bot trigger. In this we have four option. We can type any keyword, let's say 0, and press enter. So while interacting with the chatbot, with the WhatsApp chatbot, if a user type 0, so the live chat, or you can say the flow that is configured there, will restart. Alright, and you can add as many words here and just simply press enter. It will be saved. Alright, same for the live chat. If you want, the user should initiate a live chat by simply typing any word. So you can simply set that trigger from here, let's say 5, and press enter. So live chat is set now. So if any user will type press in the while interacting with the chatbot, the live chat will be initiated automatically. Same for the subscribe trigger and the unsubscribe trigger. Both are goes same. Let's say 1 for unsubscribe and 2 for subscribe. So in this case, the user will be unsubscribed, and if the user types 2, the user will be subscribed. Alright, so this is what you can use in case of bot trigger. That's all about this particular section. Now how you can use the bot trigger. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.